Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh hey guys, it's me, Maya. From the future. What? Weird, where did I come from? No. Popping in really quick to tell you guys, stay tuned to the end of this video because I have the most exciting news about new limited edition Goyard bags that have not been released yet. I might even throw in a picture. Between us. So stay tuned to the end to see about these bags. Sorry, I had to do a change of scenery because you guys know I either need a costume change or a change of scenery between videos. As I mentioned, I did shopping vlog. Today we're doing a couple unboxings from Goyard. So I'm continuing basically the video from a little bit earlier because I had to stop in the middle and take a break because I was feeling faint and I hadn't eaten anything all day from shopping. I told you guys I have some Hermes stuff that I want to unbox too, but I want to do those separately. So I'm going to do a separate Hermes video because I want to kind of like do a series called like my Hermes journey because I'm like, you know, working my way to my birthday. You know, I'm working my way to my birthday. Working my way to my birthday. Maybe that's like a separate thing of like my journey to get my Birkin. These are my Hermeses. These are my Chanel's, and there's one more. And these are my Goyard's. And this one I already unboxed. So we have a few things, you know. There's Trap to get you guys to come and watch my video. I'm missing a Chanel bag, but it's where I can't carry any more in my hands and there's nowhere else to put it unless I put it on my head. So this one I already did earlier, but I'm just gonna really quickly recap it. This one is so practical and so cute. Did this unboxing already. This one, love, we love our little new best friend, our Plumet, right? You guys already saw, I'm just recapping it here. This is what I got. It's a beautiful Plumet. And it's beautiful. Guys, this is so nice. I'm really, like, I can't highly recommend this little munchkin enough. This is the cutest little munchkin. As I said in my other Goyard video, if my video gets a certain number of views, I'm gonna keep buy a bag. So I bought a bag. And then a video got more views, I bought a bag. And if it got more views, I bought another bag. If you guys keep watching, I'll just keep buying bags. It's basically what's gonna happen. And I'm gonna keep unboxing them for you. So yeah, and I guess you guys can like request other bags if you wanna see them. And I'll try to get them if they're available and do unboxing of those. Does that sound like a plan? I also said I was gonna give everyone a free bag, but I actually don't know who anyone is because I haven't gotten any new subscribers, you guys. Subscribe for a bag? Maybe? So we got this pup. I'm gonna put him right back here for the rest of this video because he's so cute. Sorry, Chanel. Oops, sorry, Chanel. $10 to whoever can guess what that's from. Any takers? No. Or maybe both of these. Maybe we'll do a double unboxing at the same time. Does that sound? You probably know what these are based on the bag, right? I have a really good relationship with the company and I have a long history with the company and I guess I'm like a valued client, like a VIP. I am not any different than anyone else in that I'm not like... So these are all gifts. Like I get these as gifts to give to family and friends because I think this is literally the best gift you can give. It's like beautiful, it's practical, it's nice, expensive gift, you know, so versatile and usable and it's not so specific of a gift. It's a nice gift and specific, but not so specific that it can be used by anyone, I think. And, you know, they just make lovely gifts. And it's like thoughtful and like, you know, it's not common that everyone has, that everyone would give and everyone will get. Plus, they don't have Goyard in India. As I don't know if you guys know, but so Goyard is like it's a very old company, very well known to those who know. Those who don't, it's, you know, it's becoming more popular. I mean, people are seeing it more often, but it's still not the bag you see all the time. It's not you see a lot of, and it comes in so many colors and you don't always see all the colors either, but it is becoming a little more well-known. But it only has, you know, a couple stores in Asia, Japan, a couple stores in France and Europe, a couple stores in the US, and I think that's it. I don't think it's anywhere else. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like it's just in those three countries. Just in those three continents. Well, on the website it'll say all the places where they're at, but like, you know, basically, I mean, Europe, France, and I think there's 1 in the UK, 3 in France, 3 or 4 in Japan. There's 6 or 7 in the US. There's LA, San Francisco, Texas, I want to say Dallas, Chicago, and Chicago one I think is at Neiman Marcus, but it's its own separate thing, but it's inside Neiman Marcus, I believe. New York, and then Miami. So there's 6 stores in the US. The reason I'm saying this is because you can't get this in India, or it's becoming very popular, and in India especially because like, you know, it's like you want to have like, it's just very like the culture of like having the most fabulous, nicest thing that everyone wants and covets or doesn't have, and you can't, or it's abroad, it's foreign, it's abroad. These are, and like a lot of the Bollywood actresses now are carrying these, so I think it's just starting to like, everyone kind of wants one, but they can't get one, and you can only get one if you go abroad or so that they can enjoy them and look super fancy and super like, you know, elite. Anyway, so that's the story of these and why I keep getting them. So also, I just love these bags, you guys, because like they're so cute to just like wear on your shoulder.
Yes, well, this is obviously not doing justice, but if I stood up
Like they're a nice little shopping bag, and they're like they're like the length of your body. They're not too big. They kind of like, you could actually use this to like carry stuff in. It feels so soft. The bag right here is so like, so it's a little raised, bumpy in this beautiful silver on both sides, and then the beautiful green, and it's a small little bag. Recyclable. Oopsies. Okay. All right. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna do unboxings of these. If you keep asking, please keep subscribing, and I'll keep getting things for you guys to see. If you want to skip ahead, you can. I'll put timestamps. Talk a little bit about the company a little bit more. They've got an Indian themed motif coming up with little like a thing ode to Taj Mahal. Another thing why it's like they've got India theme this year. They have 2 other bags that are Indian. The Anjou with the elephant, and they in 5 reversible colors: green, orange, yellow, blue, pink. Viettes with the turban dog. Okay, you guys, this is the new bag I was talking about. It's the Goyard Saigon Mini in black with a unique Indian motif marquage, a lotus flower that looks like it's embroidered on. And get this, it comes in 3 colors with 2 hardware options. So blue, yellow, and pink. And you have the option for gold or palladium hardware, which I don't think Goyard has ever offered gold hardware. So that's really exciting. They're also turning it into a scarf. So it's going to be on the Goyard #1 scarf, the white one, and it's going to come in the yellow and pink option on both corners. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, right side wins. Oh, is it a race? Should I make it a race? Right side won that round. I am unwrapping them concurrently. Whoa, whoa. Also, they keep them folded so nicely. I just feel like I'm ruining it by opening it because it's just so nice. Beauties. You can tell by the handles what color they are. You can tell by the bag what they are. I got 2 more of these puppies. I got 2 more because I love this bag so much and I think it's the best gift. And I got black with black because it's just classic. We're gonna do it like this. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, sister, so sister. The twins! We got twins. Marsha, we got twins. Twinning. How many different jokes can I make with twin? Not that any of those are really jokes, but like, how many different ways can I say twin? Okay. Oh, wait, I could just turn this into a shirt. It really could be a little top. I don't know if you guys know, but like DJ Khaled, he like wore this Goyard jacket to an awards ceremony or something, and it was like all Goyard jacket, and then Goyard thought it was fake because, you know, they don't make clothing. They make sandals, I think, or like espadrilles or something, some sort of slip-on thing for women, and some belts and scarves. Belts for men and women, and scarves. Belts are like black or black and brown. I think they might come in colors they used to, but now they're just black or black with tan. But actually the Goyardine is on the inside, so you don't see it when you wear it. It's only when you take it off, so it's kind of very subtle. It's just like, you can see it as the edge lining on the belt on both sides, but then the actual belt is brown or black, which is very subtle, very Goyard, very like, oh, I know, keep a mystery, you know? So yeah, and then they have like a shoe with like just a little bit of Goyard, white espadrille. The scarves have a lot of pattern. Anyway, so he wore this, and then Goyard thought it was fake. So this whole like internet thing about how they were fake, and he was like, no, he actually just took Goyard's scarves, I want to say, or maybe whatever. He took the canvas or the scarves, bought a bunch of, and just commissioned it. So can you imagine just like buying 100 bags and then just turning it into a shirt? I mean, that's like real money, right? That's like I got money to burn. I wonder what he did with the scraps. Like, hey, like, can I have the scraps and make my own little outfit out of it? Or like, because I've also seen people on like Instagram like take old Goyard bags and cut up the canvas and turn them into like, you know, bracelets, or turn them into phone covers, or turn them into like, or they even put them into paintings. Like people have made them into like full on, like there's like a James Dean one, I think, Brad, some famous guy. Maybe it's real, maybe it's not, I don't know. All to say that these are little babies. I love to sleep with them. I would like stuff these with pillows and make them my pillows and have like a bunch of pillows. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. If you did not like it, share it with your enemies. Put questions in the comments, and thank you so much for your time. I know our time these days is very valuable. Time is so precious. Our most valuable commodity. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video and support. Thank you. Thank you.